everyone, in today's video we'll introduce you to the ATO Ultrasonic Flow Meter. This is a cutting-edge device designed for accurate flow measurements in various applications. Included with the ultrasonic flow meter are various accessories such as transducers, mounting brackets, clamps, and coupling agents. It offers a user-friendly interface for easy navigation and configuration. Now let's take a look at the internal construction of the flow meter. Simply unscrew the peripheral screws from the front cover and carefully remove it to gain access to the internal components. The internal construction of the flow meter consists of multiple sections, each serving a specific function. This section includes the power wiring section, responsible for the connection to a 24-volt DC power source. The pulse output section facilitates the output of pulse signals for external monitoring or control systems. The transducer wiring section allows for the proper connection of the upstream and downstream transducers. Additionally, we have the 4 to 20 mA output section and the RS485 communication output section for further connectivity options. Next, let's proceed with the wiring process. To power the flow meter, connect the 24-volt DC power source to the designated power terminals on the flow meter. Ensure proper polarity by connecting the positive terminal to DC plus and the negative terminal to DC minus. To wire the transducers, carefully connect them to the designated terminals on the flow meter. Typically, the red wire corresponds to the positive terminal, the black wire corresponds to the negative terminal, and the shorty wire connects to the designated ground terminal. With the wiring complete, it's time to power on the flow meter and conduct pipeline parameter settings. Before using the flow meter, we need to set the parameters for the pipeline. Press the menu key and enter code 11 to access the pipeline parameter settings. Here we'll take the pipe DM150 as an example. The pipe outer diameter for DM150 is 159 mm. So we're going to press enter and input 159, then press enter again to confirm. Next, if you press down and enter, it's going to ask you for the pipe wall thickness. In this example, we're going to set it for 5 mm, and you can confirm. Next, it's going to ask you to select the appropriate pipe material. Options available include carbon steel, stainless steel, and PVC. Here, we select carbon steel and press confirm. And next, it's going to ask you what type of transducer you're using. You can decide to set it for standard or plug-in types, according to your actual needs. Here we'll set it for standard and confirm. Next, pressing down button takes you to the transducer mounting method selection. Let's get into it. Press down button to go over the options including V, Z, and N methods. For this example, we're going to set it for the V method. Just press enter to select that. Pressing down again brings us to the next parameter, transducer spacing. The display value is the calculated installation distance between the two transducers. And next, it's going to ask you if you want to save all the parameters. We'll press yes. Now the pipeline parameter programming is complete. Now if you press menu and enter code 02, you can see your menu in the run mode. And we can see our instantaneous flow rate and the cumulative flow. Now let's move on to demonstrate the installation of the transducers on the pipe. Step 1. Apply coupling agent to the installation surface of the transducer. Step 2. Gently press the transducer against the pipe, ensuring sufficient contact to eliminate any gaps. Step 3. Secure the transducer to the pipe using the provided clamps or brackets. Install the other transducer in the same way by following the calculated distance and alignment guidelines. With the transducers installed and the flow meter properly set up, you are now ready to accurately measure the flow in your application. For high quality and accurate ultrasonic flow meters and more, visit ATO.com. Check out our wide range of electrical equipment and automation solutions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our knowledgeable team is always available to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.